BMW recently launched the 2024 5 Series in ICE and all-electric i5 guises, but it has not yet unveiled the car in touring form. While we don't have a date as to when this new version will be showcased to the world, a rendering artist by the name of Theottle has also imagined how such a car could look. The exterior design of the new 5 Series is quite different than the model it replaces, but it remains to be seen if the brand's customers will be receptive to the dramatic new look. BMW itself says the new 5 Series is more present and elegant than the 3 Series, more dynamic and sporty than the 7 Series. This is particularly evident with the angular new headlights, front grille, and air intakes, as well as the flush door handles and the sporty rear end with slim LED tail lights. BMW is expected to sell the 5 Series Touring with the same powertrain options as the sedan. This means that the electric i5 will also be offered as a Touring, and could be topped out by the same M60's drive variant as the sedan.